Tired of feeling like your phone is smarter than you? Ever wish your tablet came with a translator for normal people? This summer, Tech Time Cincinnati Foundation is flipping the script on tech classes just for adults and seniors. No more snooze-worthy lectures, no more techno jargon, just real friendly humans showing you how to master your devices, connect with family, shop online. Imagine texting without typos, video chatting with grandkids, shopping safely from your couch, and finally making your smart home, well, actually smart. Whether you're a total beginner or just want to level up, our adult tech summer camps are for you. You bring the curiosity. We'll bring the fun, the laughs, and the aha moments. Spots are limited, so don't wait. Visit techtimecincinnati.net and join the coolest tech revolution in town, no experience required. Tech Time Cincinnati Foundation, where technology finally makes sense.